Top 3 Best Telescopes for Stargazing. If you're looking for the best telescope to explore the night sky, this video is for you. We're diving into the top 3 telescopes that offer amazing performance for beginners and advanced users alike. We regularly update the product names and prices, so check the description below for the latest deals. Top 3 Celestron NexStar 6 SE. Coming in at number 3, we have the Celestron NexStar 6 SE. This brand is well known for its high-quality optics and user-friendly design. The NexStar 6 SE is a computerized Schmidt-Cassegrain telescope with a 6-inch primary mirror, giving you impressive views of the moon, planets, and deep sky objects. It comes with a fully automated go-to mount that tracks over 40,000 celestial objects. The Skyline technology makes setup super easy, even if you're new to astronomy.
Pros:
great light-gathering power for deep sky objects. Fully automated go-to tracking system. Compact and easy to transport. Includes Starry Night software for planning observations.
Cons:
a bit pricey at $900. Requires batteries or an external power source. If you want a telescope that grows with you as you advance in astronomy, this is a solid choice. Top 2 Skyer 70mm Refracting Telescope. At number 2, we have the Skyer 70mm Refracting Telescope. If you're just getting into stargazing and want something budget-friendly, this is a great pick. This telescope features a 70mm aperture and a 400mm focal length, making it perfect for viewing the moon, planets, and some bright deep sky objects. It comes with a travel bag, a phone adapter, and a wireless remote, so you can easily take pictures of what you see.
Pros:
affordable price at $86.97. Portable and beginner-friendly. Includes accessories like a phone adapter and wireless remote.
Cons:
not ideal for deep space viewing. The mount can be a bit shaky. If you're a beginner or want a telescope for casual stargazing, this is a fantastic entry-level option. Top 1 Orion SkyQuest XT8 Classic Dobsonian. Taking the top spot, we have the Orion SkyQuest XT8 Classic Dobsonian. This is a powerhouse telescope that delivers stunning views without breaking the bank. The XT8 features an 8-inch aperture, meaning it gathers a ton of light for incredible views of galaxies, nebulae, and planets. The Dobsonian mount is sturdy and easy to use, making it great for beginners and experienced users alike.
Pros:
huge 8-inch aperture for breathtaking detail. Simple and intuitive Dobsonian mount. Great for both beginners and seasoned astronomers.
Cons:
bulky and not very portable. No built-in tracking system. If you want the best bang for your buck and plan on serious stargazing, this telescope is an amazing choice. So, to recap, the Celestron NexStar 6 SE is a high-tech, computerized telescope for those who want an advanced experience. The Skyer 70mm is a great beginner-friendly, portable option. The Orion SkyQuest XT8 is the best all-around telescope for deep space viewing. Which one do you think is best for you? Let us know in the comments. The links and updated prices are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our next videos.
See you next time.